Word.
So,
Let's play some LittleBigPlanet levels.
massive earthquake survival.
We talking we talking online, yeah? Like
This is Mr. Big Cheese and it's a gamer.
oh, we are talking like online levels, yeah, like community and shit. That's what we're talking about.
As you can see, the guy with the flip-flops on, and not really flip-flops, but still.
Flippers, mate, flippers.
This dude
That's what we're fucking talking about, you can't.
is Mr. Big Cheese. Whoa.
Join us. What the fuck, mate? I do this every time I play a fucking level, playing online. Fuck how do I want to join no cants? I hate cants.
Oh, calm down, okay? Yeah? Just calm down, yeah?
Mate, I hate cants though.
Metal all the way. Yeah, mate. Ali flammable shit.
Fuck off, mate, you can't. Feel free to explore the house. Beware of random dangers. It's harder than it looks. Oh, what the fuck is that? What's going on in this house?
Saw, mate.
This house is a
grab
psycho
carpet
house.
to continue. I don't want to grab the carpet just yet, yeah?
Oh,
you
shit, well, I've done it already. Oh, fucking hell, what is going on? Oh, fuck that, I'm not going over there.
Oh, in a bit yet.
Go on, mate, come back here.
Fuck off. I want to survive here.
Mate, don't leave me out here on my own.
Hey.
Why be in a camp?
Every man lives for himself, yeah? That's how it goes. Look at that. Oh, shit, yeah?
Oh, mate, I'm going up the fucking stairs, mate. Fuck you. Oh, shit, no, I can see, no, I'm not. Nah!
Oh, mate, you like dead yet?
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, fam. Oh, shit, man.
Mate, come on, mate, try and get me back.
Mate, it's a survival.
Hurry up with the stairs, for Christ's
Take
sake.
forever. Mate, you shit.
Oh, mate, you almost got crushed there.
Mate, if that happened, I'd be like, so gutted.
Oh, get away from that. That's not healthy. I've had one of them to the throat before.
Oh,
Mate, you got to press X on them things.
Oh, yeah.
And then you like bounce bare eye. And then you fall.
Oh, I don't want to get hurt by that thing.
Mate, I would get away from that thing. Took one of them to the battle before. They are not nice.
Oh, I got crushed by one, you. I don't care about my community objects. Word.
Well, Mush, you did pretty good on that one,
I know,
must say.
got 70.
Mate, should we give that one more go?
Yeah, why not? Why not, fam?
Yeah, man, that was pretty good. Right, let's try it again. Let's try it one more time.
This time, don't die.
Yeah, I'll try and survive for longer this time. I'll try and win.
Like I said, every man for himself. Okay? Just remind.
Good things can. Tired your weight, you can.
But I don't wait. And I get good things.
Right,
Right,
fuck
don't
the
touch.
carpet.
Grab me to start the madness.
Nah, fuck that, I'm not doing that yet. I want to see what's happening around here.
Oh, fuck man.
Oh shit, I missed that shit, didn't I? Mate, I swear it's in a different house.
Yeah, the carpet's different. I noticed that.
This house is a lot more fun, I'll tell you that for nothing.
Yeah, it's more bouncy, if you know what I mean.
Wait, what the fuck? How am I meant to get out of the fucking stairs?
Like that. Right, let's just explore this
But
bit.
just in case you was wondering, yeah? My guy is the guy stood on top of this big ass ball with the military helmet or in the big ass tash.
And my guy's the fat and hilarious, freaked out guy. If you want to see...
Mate, why are you talking like me?
I don't know, fam.
Nobody's going to be able to tell the difference.
I don't know, fam. Right.
Mate, don't say that. It makes you sound like a cunt.
Sorry, mate.
Why don't you just, like, put on some other... Oh, shit, for that I don't want to die already. The level hasn't even started yet.
Okay, this is me. I'm like this guy over here with the...
Doing the fake
Pink
chav
weeds.
voice. Doing the fake chav voice, no.
You can talk, mate.
Mate, I've got the hooligan voice. The football hooligan voice.
Alright. So, mate, we're gonna, like, go over here.
Mate, that's collection points already. Oh,
I think... Alright, we're gonna die up here, mate.
why?
It's like a knife over there. Just to let you know, we can't get out. Or if we can.
Hang on, I'll be down a sec. Just acquiring my phone.
Stop cheating, yeah?
Ah, I won. I won that round. Right, let's go. Let's go start this madness.
No, mate, that's unfair. You like...
Mate, more points come as the level is progressing, I think. Right.
Yeah, but you're not really progressing, you're just cheating.
Mate, how am I cheating? You're fucking... Oh, mate, it's fucking ball. What the fuck?
Oh, well done, mate. Now we have to restart the level.
No, we don't, man. No, don't. I'll get past
do.
this. Oh, fuck this. Right. Replay. So about this, folks. So about this.
Right, now we've discovered the house. Let's just play it.
What if it's a different house again? Should we just play anyway?
Yeah,
Who cares? Who cares?
Okay.
Keeping the people waiting, we are. Well, it's not different. Oh, right, we've got to grab this camera. Ah!
Grab the, Minecraft slime. I'll take that.
No, you fucking won't. Right?
Oh, come on, mate. Stop cheating, yeah?
Believe you me, we will not believe you.
Oh, boy found.
Oh, you're a cunt. Right, let's go. Mate, when are the explosions going to happen?
Some earthquake, this is a pile of shit, yeah?
Yeah, what the fuck?
I don't get it. Oh, there's a fish there. I can go inside. Can I go inside? Oh, no. Yes, I can.
Oh, shit, what's happening there?
Oh. Here's where the shit's happened. Okay. Oh, fan. Oh, mate.
Oh, shit, mate, come over here.
Oh, shit.
No, fuck!
Oh, die.
Mate, fuck this level, I hate it.
Yeah. It's different, dude. It's not like earthquake style. It's like slanted like shit.
No, are we still playing the same level? I don't think so.
Spinning House of Terror? No, we're not.
Nah, I'm not going to bother giving it a rating, but fuck that.
Well, that was Spinning House of Terror.
For some reason, we were playing Massive Earthquake Survival, right?
And Massive Earthquake Survival.
And then we started playing Spinning House of Terror. What the fuck? Right, let's play a different one.
Well, I'm going to change my outfit. Oh no, shit, man. I can't.
One player only, fuck that. Stickman.
Well,
Wait,
no.
where's that Mortal Kombat one at?
It's not one player only. You can play it 2 players, but it's just not battles.
Not suitable for 2 players.
Yeah. Get me.
Alright, let's try this Mortal Kombat one. Then I think we'll call this video a day.
Yeah, why not?
It's been 7 minutes and 30.
7 minutes?
7 minutes, man. That's long. I got this one. Right, you want to fight me, you cunt?
Come on, yeah. I'll fucking...
What the fuck?
I'll like jerk you off, yeah. That's so weird. Good song, yeah.
Mate, let's just do dancing.
Get off it.
Oh, no, you don't.
Oh yeah, I do. I don't like the way these hands are moving.
Oh, fuck that, nah. Haha, you dickhead, man, dickhead. Mate, I want to get back up here. Ah, haha. Mate, no. I'm still alive. I think I'm going to win.
Oh.
Replay.
That is shit. Right, I do speak Scorpion this time. I hate being Reptile.
Mate, you won last time, huh? What was your trend? What the hell is actually happening? I don't understand. Mate, fuck off.
Oh, I get it. You gotta move by like kicking and that. Oh, that's so dodgy. In a bit, yeah? I'll sit down.
Yeah, fuck off, dickhead.
Oh, come on, fam. I fucking have you. Kick your shit out of you.
Mate, what are we doing?
Mate. Oh, I'll punch you to the gut. Punch to the nuts, you. Oh, fam. It's like Chinese fighting. I'll sit down.
Mate, this is like that game.
Oh, that game is like Street Fighter.
Q-Wop.
Oh yeah, Q-Wop. Oh yeah, I remember that. Street Fighter's that game where you press those random buttons.
Mate, this game is shit. Alright, anyway. Thanks for watching. Nice.